doing a lot of hand sanitize, and that way it will not catching on the client's hair and then close, and also is keep the size, the frame and the metal pieces on, stay on long time, and is prevent from getting tarnished. So same thing with this sticker nail. So gorgeous. I tell you, these pumpkins is ready to go trick-or-treat. I would seal this like pumpkin as well to prevent from you having a bleach. You know, if you're cleaning the house accidentally, don't forget to wear gloves, anyone related, because I know myself. Seals. If you are wearing your nails, or your clients wearing your nails and getting tarnished in like the next day, so just let me know. Did you just bleaching or cleaning the house yesterday? Because it can't be tarnished. So we'll make sure you seal really well to prevent from that. And here for 60 seconds. Last one. See, this is so cool though. Today's like I did transfer foil, and I share with you with the cat eyes. Cat eyes is everything. It just now is my next favorites on the gels, because I'm having so much fun. Yesterday when I did my nails until like forever, I'm having so much fun, and I did 8 of them, and I did 8 different colors. It's okay, and it doesn't matter whatever colors you put it on the top with cat eyes, it's gonna really reflect of the colors you have underneath. So I'm gonna give this for 60 seconds. Don't do the red cap away. This will keep your needles in nice and clean, as well as is going to protect it from getting dries or clogs, anything. And it's come with your precision with your Trifecta. That's all you need. If you have to pick one item from Glitz before anything else for the crystal placement, that is going to be the bestie you should. And next, I can tell you everything is down the list. So, but next there'll be like subscription box, and next will be treasure box, because you get so much in those treasure box. So much. I don't know how to explain it and how to describe it, but a lot. So if you get your subscription box and you still not feel satisfied, you can sub another one, or you can get in a treasure box. Treasure box